logically how goal setting and action planning will apply to your income? Yes or no?
Yes.
You guys understand how powerful this is? So we have core principles. You guys notice we did that all week with our game? Did we do that all week with our game? Yes?
Yeah.
Of course we did. So it's very important that you guys understand this. Okay? Let's talk about how you can use this soul skills to make more money. How can you use what you learned here to make more money?
The key is just trying to develop as many relationships as possible, especially in the banking business. The key is to make your clients happy. And even on a pretty low level, if I can really implement these social skills into higher level employees, higher level people within my group and maintain that connection, naturally that would just lead to greater opportunities in the future.
How much money are you making right now per year, more or less?
Like 100,000.
So you're making 100K a year?
Yeah.
That's pretty good for your age. How old are you again?
23.
That's not bad. You're making 100K at 23 years old,
Yeah.
right? But
The goals are
imagine if you can make $1 million a year on Wall Street using the soul skills I taught you. Can you kind of see how that can clearly happen?
Yeah.
Do you do anything with like VIP clients? Do you do anything with? Because imagine this: would they trust a 23-year-old young Raj to fucking take care of like the big contracts if you didn't have high-level soul skills? Fuck no, you'd be burning bridges. But now you understand empathy. And you said first seek to understand to be understood. So now this can be noticed, and you're gonna naturally get all kinds of opportunities going forward.
And I already have opportunities in my head that I'm already planning on doing and implementing when I get back anyway. And such as I'm trying to like late at night try to create some more decks and try to pitch some more ideas to some individual people because I was too scared to do it before the program, and now I'm just like, screw it. Now I have that social connection, like that banker at the club. I just got out to him.
Yeah, you met a banker at the club.
Yeah,
last
we
night.
vibed. He was like, oh, he's a cool dude.
He might be able to mentor you. He's much older, right?
Yeah, and he works at like a regional market in bulge brackets. We were talking about that. So now I just have that confidence. And another big thing is attention to detail. So before this program, honestly, my attention to detail, it was good, but it wasn't exceptional. Like I would get 90% of the things except for that 10%. I would almost consistently miss it. And in this program, what I realized is attention to detail is honestly everything.
He's everything.
And I'll be honest, if you were a banker, I feel like you're probably the best banker there because your attention to detail is so good.
It's really good. Yeah.
So now it's like with this program, I realize holy shit. Like
I do a lot of crypto stuff, dude. I could fucking retire right now forever if I want to.
So now I realize, like, holy shit, like, I need to get my attention to detail up. And, like, in this program, I realize, like, when I go back, like, my attention to detail is significantly better. And as a result, I think if I keep honing that in, my game is going to get significantly better. And, like, right now, my goals are, like, honestly, in this program, I was, like, I only want to date, like, models. Like, the best girls are the ones that I actually want to pursue. And it's, like, if I keep that mindset and keep that attention to detail in the game, I know I'm going to achieve that in the future. Because my standards are kind of ridiculous. It's like I want to keep that level.
Well, you look at the results you had this week, man. It's pretty insane.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, soul skills, and day game for 10 years in 50 plus countries, 6 continents, to thousands of guys in person just like you. And I love teaching guys this stuff. So if you like this video, please make sure to do me a favor and leave a thumbs up on this video. I really do appreciate that. Now, if you want to follow me more closely, you can go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2, and watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always partnering with hot girls, doing exclusive events, crazy shit on my daily Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me there. You can see me traveling around the world in real time, doing amazing things, and teaching guys like you in person every day on my Instagram. And you can message me on my Instagram as well. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and message me there. And if you want to actually call me, you can call me at justinmarc.com. We'll do free consultation calls. You can actually call me and we'll do a free discovery call where we can get you on the right action plan to change your dating life and your social life at justinmarc.com. And if you guys want to dig deeper and watch more of our more exclusive content, go to wingmanpodcast.com and watch our Wingman podcast on Spotify, Apple, and all platforms. And we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. My name is Justin Marc, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out.